Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing one high-impact football moment. Pick a 3/8-second clip that immediately grabs attention. Once done, make it vertical 9, 16 at 1080x 1920, and trim to remove dead air. You should add a bold visual hook in the first 1 to 2 seconds plus a clear caption. Explain why. Short attention spans favor immediate action, and platform algorithms boost early watch retention, so set up the clip to earn that retention fast. You now optimize for watch time and shares. Start with a short caption overlay and rapid 0. 5/1's jump cuts to raise pace, that keeps viewers engaged. Then test upbeat royalty-free audio and try slight speed boosts like 1, 2, 1, 5x to increase excitement. Make sure to place a clear call to action. Ask viewers to save, share, or follow. Explain why. Faster edits and familiar sounds increase retention and discovery, while CTAs convert attention into repeat engagement. You finish by publishing strategically and iterating. Upload during peak audience windows and monitor retention for 24 to 72 hours. Use that data to decide what to change. Once you gather results, run a /B test on captions, thumbnails, audio choices, and clip timing to find the best combination. If views are low, swap the hook, shorten the first 2 seconds, or try a different sound immediately. This troubleshooting loop is why consistent tweaks turn a single short into repeatable growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.